Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today's video will be unboxing our MSTR Ambassador. Right after that, we'll show you lifestyle videos of the watch, also some shots of it on wrist, so get ready. Okay, so before we get into the details of the watch, let's check out the box. So it does come in this protective sleeve, also has the part number AM183MP, which means moon face. So removing this sleeve, you have the box, the embossed MSTR with the big M. Feels really smooth, really nice. Another great detail that I do love about this box is the magnet feature. Right when you close it, it does snap back in, locks it in. Upon opening the box, the first thing you notice obviously is this beautiful moon face, but before we get into that, let's see what else is in the box. So you remove this cover sleeve, and the cover sleeve right away feels really good. You have the gold embossed MSTR, Los Angeles, California, established in 2009, and even this feels really good, feels really good quality. Behind that, you have the instruction manual. This will tell you how to set your moon face, as well as your Ambassador MK3, and a few other models. Behind that is a certificate card. Now let's get into the details of this watch. First thing you notice is this beautiful rose gold case. Also, the semi-polish on the side of the case really ties in the bezel and helps it pop. It gives it that 3D look. Very cool. Also, our 8 signature hexagon bolts. The case is NASA grade 316 stainless steel. Also has this Meister engraved on the side of it. Very beautiful. It's a great feature. It's almost a hidden feature, so when you do discover it, it's the wow factor right away for sure. On the other side is the crown, so the M is embossed on it as well. Again, another hidden feature that, when you do see it, it ties in all the craftsmanship of Meister. We definitely don't hold back on, creating and adding every little detail, because it definitely does matter to us as well. Another feature that really creates the wow factor is this really deep blue face. Mixed in behind it is the almost like a galaxy, so it's like a starry background, and it really pops with that rose gold. You can see the M and the MSTR as well as the indexes is rose gold, so it matches the case. Everything just ties in together so well. And of course the moon, hence the MSTR Ambassador. You can see the moon spinning into the orbit, as well as the starry background behind it as well, so it does match the face as well. A lot of detail again, guys. That's what we do. We make sure that everything ties in together. The movement is a Miyota moon face 6P20. Also features day and date. This moon face does come with a brown croc leather band. 100% genuine leather, feels very smooth. Definitely rests on your wrist, very easy. Just to throw it out there, we do have a moon face collection, so there are other models that feature different color leather bands as well as stainless steel bands. So if you wanted to switch out, you definitely could. Let me show you the back of this feature as well. So you can see this little latch right here. All you do is push this down, and this removes the band, so you can easily put a different band on there from our site, or just from a different moon face collection. So you can easily change the aesthetic, the feel of the watch, just like that by pulling down that latch. Getting into the back of this watch, right away you see the limited edition and the Ambassador engraved logo. Everything is engraved on the back. It feels really, really good. You see the part number as well. And all, not only moon faces, but Ambassadors are water resistant to 100 meters. Stay tuned for detailed shots of this watch on wrist, as well as some really cool lifestyle shots and videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment, leave any questions or concerns down below. We do check them daily, guys. Let us know what kind of watch you want to see next.